Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to eject water from iPhone with this simple hack. If you find it useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Before you start, make sure Shortcut app is installed on the iPhone. This app comes pre-installed on the device, but some people delete it. So if it's not there for you, head over to the App Store, search Shortcut and then download and install it. Next, on your iPhone, open the browser and search Water Eject. When this web result appear, click to open it. I have already added the link in a description, so you can use that link to directly visit this page. This is a pre-made shortcut for iPhone which is 100% safe to install. Tap on the Get Shortcut button. This will open the Water Eject Shortcut in the Shortcut app. If you want to check how this shortcut works, then tap on the three dots to get all the information. Tap on the Add Shortcut and this will be added to the app. Now let's learn how to eject water from the iPhone speaker. Tap on the same shortcut. In the menu that open, tap on the Start. Next you will get options to select intensity level. It's like low, medium, high. I suggest you to use number 3, that is high. Instantly you will hear tones that push water out of the speaker. You will notice tiny water droplets coming out. That's normal. Let it finish. It only takes a few seconds. It works same like Apple Watch water lock feature. You can try this 2-3 times until water droplets stop coming out of the speakers. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.